If you need to reset your password for your First Liberty Federal Credit Union account, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official First Liberty Federal Credit Union website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. This scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your username or account number and any other requested details. This helps verify your identity. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a password reset link. Make sure to look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets the security requirements, then confirm it and submit. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.